Alright, F215 is also set up with PCs along the wall. These are for students that they're able to turn on and perform any kind of additional tasks on the PC. So these would be the actual lab computers, where these would be the computers in the center. These would be the actual computers for the classroom. Now, the thing of these lab computers, the way that they're set up, is we have a dual monitor configuration with a desktop with the pre-installed Windows OS. All the workstations here also have a KVM that we're able to connect up a additional computer, and here's our KVM switch. So by default, the first one here is the main computer one, and down below here, we have a test computer where students are able to use for lab, to take apart or do any other types of activities with this particular system here. So the students are able to take the computer out, put it up on the bench, utilize the cables to connect up keyboard, video, and mouse. There's also an additional power cord in the cabinet, so they're able to plug in the power, and if they need to, lay the system down, open up the computer, and perform any kind of components or lab work with the actual PC. Before they're done, you want to make sure that the computer is back in working order. Have everything put back the way it was by simply putting the cover back on, putting the thumb screws back on, and disconnecting the system, and then putting it back in the cabinet. Additionally, this cabinet here has some additional resources for the class. Some motherboards, some other items that the students are able to look at. This cabinet over here, and down below we have toolkits, toolboxes for any of the labs that may require some additional hardware. So all these are labeled, and inside you will have various of standard tools, common tools that one would need to perform any kind of maintenance or labs with the systems. Please make sure that all the tools and equipment is put back in the box, and the box is then put away in the cabinet. Alright, and that's pretty much it on the lab computers that are against the wall here.